What is Ludwigia palustris? There's a certain magic to underwater gardens. Lush greenery swaying in the gentle current, colorful fish darting between leaves. It's a world of tranquility within your home. And if you're looking for a plant that adds a stunning pop of color, look no further than Ludwigia palustris. This aquatic gem, also known as water purslane or marsh seed box, boasts vibrant red leaves that can bring life to any aquarium. But beyond its aesthetics, Ludwigia palustris is surprisingly easy to care for, making it a perfect choice for both novice and experienced aquascapers like myself. Over the past year, I've been captivated by this plant's resilience and beauty. In this article, I'll share my experience with Ludwigia palustris, from planting basics to care tips, and even some ideas on what to pair it with in your underwater haven. Before diving into the practicalities, let's get to know Ludwigia palustris a little better. This herbaceous perennial belongs to the evening primrose family and thrives in both aquatic and semi-aquatic environments. In its natural habitat, you might find it growing in marshes, swamps, or along riverbanks. The name itself is a giveaway. Palustris is Latin for of the marsh, hinting at its preferred conditions. But don't worry, replicating a swamp in your aquarium isn't necessary. Ludwigia palustris versus Super Red. Ludwigia palustris has been a stunning addition to my tank, with its vibrant green leaves that turn a reddish hue under bright light, creating a striking contrast that I find captivating. In comparison, Ludwigia Super Red took a bit more effort to achieve its full color potential, but the deep, rich reds it develops make it a bold, eye-catching choice for any aquarium. Ludwigia palustris versus Repens. I found Ludwigia palustris to be relatively easy to maintain and grow, offering a lovely splash of color without demanding too much attention. On the other hand, Ludwigia repens has been a reliable, low-maintenance plant for me, thriving in a variety of conditions and providing a nice, consistent green backdrop that complements other plants nicely. How to grow Ludwigia palustris. Now, let's get down to the fun part, creating the perfect environment for your Ludwigia palustris to flourish. Here's what you'll need. Tank size. While Ludwigia palustris can adapt to smaller tanks, it truly shines in aquariums with a minimum capacity of 20 gallons. This allows the plant ample space to grow and showcase its vibrant foliage. Substrate. Opt for a nutrient-rich substrate like sand or gravel. A layer of root tabs can also provide extra nourishment for optimal growth. Lighting. Moderate to high lighting is ideal. Aim for around 8 to 10 hours of light per day. If your tank setup leans towards low light, consider supplementing with LED lights specifically designed for plant growth. Water parameters. Ludwigia palustris thrives in a neutral to slightly acidic pH range, between 6.0 and 7.5, and prefers water temperatures between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 82 degrees Fahrenheit. 20 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. How to plant and care for Ludwigia palustris. Planting Ludwigia palustris is a breeze. Simply bundle the stems together and secure them gently in the substrate. Remember to leave some space between individual plants to allow for proper growth. Here are some additional care tips to ensure your Ludwigia thrives. Trimming. Don't be afraid to trim. Regular trimming encourages bushier growth and prevents the plant from becoming leggy. You can replant the trimmings to propagate new Ludwigia. CO2 injection. While not essential, CO2 injection can enhance the growth and color vibrancy of your Ludwigia palustris. Fertilization. A balanced liquid fertilizer can provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Opt for a formula suitable for stem plants. How to propagate Ludwigia palustris. The beauty of Ludwigia palustris is meant to be shared. Luckily, propagating this plant is quite simple. Here's how. Stem cuttings. The easiest method is through stem cuttings. Simply snip off a healthy section of stem with a few leaves attached. Plant the cutting in your substrate and watch it develop into a new Ludwigia. Side shoots. Ludwigia palustris is a prolific grower and often produces side shoots. You can carefully detach these shoots and plant them separately for new growth. What to plant with Ludwigia palustris. Ludwigia palustris' vibrant red foliage makes it a stunning centerpiece. But why not create a truly captivating underwater landscape? Here are some plants that complement Ludwigia palustris beautifully. Foreground plants. Consider low-growing carpeting plants like dwarf hairgrass or Marsilea to create a lush green carpet that contrasts with the red tones of Ludwigia palustris. Mid-ground plants. Vallisneria or sword plants add a touch of elegance with their long, graceful leaves. Background plants. Taller plants like Amazon sword or water sprite provide a sense of depth and can create a natural backdrop for the vibrant Ludwigia. Conclusion. The allure of Ludwigia palustris. Ludwigia palustris is more than just a pretty face. It's a hardy, easy-to-care-for plant that injects a splash of color into any aquarium. Its vibrant red foliage adds a burst of life, while its manageable care requirements make it a perfect choice for busy hobbyists or those new to the world of planted tanks. With a little planning and these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving underwater paradise where Ludwigia palustris takes center stage. So, why not give this aquatic gem a try and witness its beauty firsthand? You might just find yourself mesmerized by its resilience and the pop of color it brings to your underwater world.